Ravi used to make a lot of noise while eating every day, sometimes throwing tantrums, sometimes complaining. One day, his mother served his plate without saying anything and quietly sat down herself. Ravi asked, "Mom, why aren't you saying anything today?" His mother smiled and said, "Today, I'm listening to what your plate is saying." Ravi looked carefully at the food filled with his mother's hard work and love. From that day on, Ravi learned to eat his meals quietly and with respect. Moral: a parent's silence can also teach children very important lessons. 8-year-old Arav always insisted on having things his way. Whenever his mother tried to explain something, he would make a face and ignore her. One day at school, the teacher said, "The one who listens first learns the best." When Arav came home, his mother said nothing. She simply started listening carefully to him every day. After a few days, Arav said, "Mom, when you listen to me, I should listen to you too." From that day on, Arav learned to listen. Moral: before teaching children, it is important to understand them first. Arav used to play on his mobile without finishing his homework. His mother explained every day, but he kept ignoring it. One day, she said nothing and simply sat with him in the evening to help with his homework. Arav realized she wasn't angry, she was supporting him. He admitted his mistake and said, "Mom, I'll study on time every day." His mother smiled and replied, "Making mistakes isn't bad, learning from them is important." From that day on, Arav learned to manage his time, study and play both. Moral: children learn better through understanding and support, not scolding. Aditya insisted on everything. One day, he didn't do his homework and went out to play. Instead of scolding him, Dad said nothing. In the evening, when Aditya sat to watch TV, Dad quietly sat beside him. After a while, Dad shared a story from his childhood, how once ignoring responsibility caused him trouble. Aditya understood his mistake. He went and finished his homework on his own. Dad smiled. Moral: love and example teach children better than anger. Aditya used to insist on everything. Not doing homework and using the mobile for long hours had become his habit. His father explained things to him every day, but Aditya never listened. One day, his father stopped saying anything, no scolding, no restrictions. When exams came and Aditya couldn't understand the questions, he remembered his father's words. He went to his father and apologized. His father smiled and said, "Learning from mistakes is the greatest lesson." That day, Aditya understood that lessons taught with love are more powerful than scolding. Moral: patience is the strongest tool in parenting. Little Monu was always in a hurry while doing his work. One day, while filling water from the tap, he accidentally dropped his grandmother's old brass water pot. Grandmother did not scold him. She simply said, "Wash it properly and keep it in the sunlight." Monu cleaned the pot with care. Seeing it shine in the sunlight made him happy. Grandmother smiled and said, "Just like this pot shines, work done with care makes the mind shine too." From that day on, Monu began doing every task with patience. Moral: work done with patience and responsibility brings happiness. Ayush used to watch cartoons on his mobile while doing homework. His mother explained to him every day, but he never listened. One day, she said nothing and didn't allow Ayush to go out and play because his homework was incomplete. Ayush felt sad and understood his mother's words for the first time. He said, "Mom, from today, work first, then play." His mother smiled. That day, Ayush learned that parents' advice is not scolding, but loving guidance.